We are 1 week away from the start of our renovations here inside the sanctuary. So that those renovations can begin next week, Sunday, May 12th, we will be meeting in Hess Hall for the duration of the summer and not here in the sanctuary. So don't show up on this end of the campus next week. Our new service times will be 8:30 a.m., 10 a.m., and 11:30 a.m. These services will continue in Hess Hall throughout the summer and until the sanctuary renovations are completed, which we hope will be before the school begins in the fall. Now, what makes this move even more exciting and challenging is that our east and west parking lots will finally be getting renovated. Now, electrical lines and a variety of other items will be getting installed underneath and before the new surface is completed, so it will take some time to accomplish this. Given this massive project, we have a specific traffic flow for everyone arriving to our campus, including staff. We will be starting this traffic flow next week, and our epic parking team that we hope more people will join will guide and direct us throughout the entire process. Okay, here it is. First and foremost, there will be one driveway to enter on our campus, and that is the driveway on Hunter Road just west of the sanctuary. We cannot enter from any other driveway, including the main entrance at Hilton Road that most of us are used to. Now, once you're on the campus, we can park anywhere on the north lot that was just completed this past weekend, and it looks fantastic, doesn't it? We can enter the building at the blue awning down at the school, and that takes us right into Hess Hall. There will be a designated handicap area set aside closest to the blue awning. The entire north parking lot is available, plus a new area we will make available out in the softball field. Yes, the softball field, but remember, this is temporary for just a few weeks until we get the east parking lot completed. Once it's completed, we can park there as well. Now, when leaving, we will all exit the campus one way, driving past the Student Center to exit left or right onto Hilton Road. This is the exit with the digital sign for the school. This is an exit only and not an entrance. Okay, so to summarize, enter here only at Hunter Road and exit here only at Hilton Road. Please arrive early. Bring your patience and bring your grace, because there may be a line of cars when you arrive. And if you can, try to make it to the 8:30 a.m. service or the 11:30 a.m. service, because the 10 a.m. service will be the most packed. We are so excited that these renovations are going to begin, and remember, this is temporary, and when all is said and done, we will be far better equipped to serve our community for the glory of Jesus Christ.